Hello there, and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com. In one of my online classes this morning, one of my students, who is a keen basketball player himself, was asking me how popular the sport is over here. I replied by saying that it's pretty popular and lots of kids play basketball in the park, but I wouldn't say it was one of the big 2 or 3 sports here. By quite some distance, the most popular sport is football, and the football season usually runs from sort of mid-August through to the beginning of May. In the summer, the most popular sport is cricket, and then there's rugby after that. My student looked a bit bemused at this news and said, "Yeah, cricket. It's strange how much British people love cricket. To be honest, I have tried to watch it, but I'm not really very au fait with the ins and outs of the sport." If you say that you're au fait with something, it means you're familiar with it, you know something about it. And in the same way, if you're not very au fait with something, it means you don't know much about it and you're not very familiar with it. So maybe you might hear people discussing the political situation at the moment in a particular country, or some kind of new medical advance related to COVID, and they might ask you what you think, to which you might respond, "To be honest, I'm not really very au fait with the situation there. I'm not really very au fait with this new development." You might hear people talking about an artist or a musician, and you might think, "Yeah, I've heard her name before, I've heard of that band, but I'm not very au fait with their work." If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps us with the algorithm. It lets more people know about what we do. Please do share the videos with your friends, your colleagues and your students. And in the comments section, we'd love to hear about situations or artists or musicians that you are or that you're not particularly au fait with. Or of course, just share your thoughts on cricket.